Turbo Trendz TV brings you another in-depth look at one of the most anticipated electric crossovers of the new model year, the 2026 Geely EX5. This vehicle is Geely's latest move in the EV game, designed to not only compete with other Chinese automakers but also to stand tall against global rivals in the electric SUV market. The EX5 represents a bold leap in design, technology, and performance. And today we're going to walk you through every detail, from the exterior styling to the interior comfort, performance capabilities, and of course, pricing. By the end, you'll know exactly why the EX5 is turning so many heads. Exterior. At first glance, the 2026 EX5 has a striking front fascia that perfectly blends futuristic cues with practicality. The face of the EX5 is dominated by a sleek closed-off grille, a signature design element that emphasizes its EV identity. Instead of traditional openings, the surface is smooth with subtle aerodynamic sculpting that guides air efficiently around the body. The headlights are razor-sharp, with a continuous LED light bar that stretches across the front and merges seamlessly into the daytime running lights, giving the car a premium high-tech glow at night. Lower down, the bumper integrates angular air intakes that are not just for show but aid in cooling the battery and brakes, while adding a sporty, aggressive touch. The overall look is bold yet refined, clearly showing Geely's intention to position this car as both a family-friendly SUV and a stylish urban commuter. Moving to the side profile, the EX5 carries a sleek silhouette that almost disguises its size. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear without compromising headroom, and the blacked-out pillars create a floating roof effect that enhances its modern appeal. Flush door handles pop out automatically when you approach the car, improving aerodynamics and giving the side view a clean, uninterrupted flow. The character lines along the doors are subtle but powerful, adding definition to the otherwise smooth surfaces. Wheel arches are slightly flared, housing stylish alloy wheels ranging from 19 to 21 inches depending on trim level. These wheels are designed not only for aesthetics but also to optimize airflow and reduce drag, boosting efficiency. Even small details like the integrated side skirts and chrome accents around the windows make the EX5 stand out as a crossover that balances elegance with toughness. At the rear, the design continues the futuristic theme. A full-width LED taillight strip spans across the hatch, mirroring the light signature up front and giving the EX5 a unified look. The rear window is sharply raked and topped with a slim spoiler that enhances both style and aerodynamics. The bumper is sculpted with contrasting black and body-colored elements, while subtle chrome trim highlights the edges. There's no exhaust outlet, of course, since it's fully electric, but instead Geely has given it a diffuser-style lower section to add a sporty presence. The rear design is clean, modern, and very much aligned with the expectations of today's EV buyers who want something futuristic without being overly experimental. Interior. Inside, the EX5 is where Geely really flexes its innovation. Step inside and you're immediately greeted by a wide, minimalist dashboard that feels open and futuristic. At the center sits a massive infotainment screen, reportedly around 15 inches in size, offering everything from navigation to entertainment and climate controls. The graphics are sharp, the interface is intuitive, and Geely's latest software supports over-the-air updates to keep the system fresh. Behind the steering wheel, there's a fully digital instrument cluster that displays key driving information, while a head-up display projects navigation and safety alerts directly onto the windshield for easy viewing. The materials inside the EX5 feel premium, with soft touch surfaces, eco-friendly upholstery options, and customizable ambient lighting. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom design with capacitive touch controls, giving it a sporty yet futuristic vibe. The center console is elevated with ample storage space underneath, and wireless charging pads make it easy to keep your devices powered up on the go. The cabin is also designed with sustainability in mind, featuring recycled materials in trims and fabrics without compromising luxury. Seating is another highlight, with supportive chairs that offer heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, thanks to the clever packaging of the EV platform. The flat floor creates more space, and reclining rear seats make long trips more comfortable. A large panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with light, enhancing the sense of openness. Cargo capacity is also strong, with the roomy rear trunk and an additional front storage compartment, or frunk, for extra convenience. Performance is where the EX5 shows its versatility. Geely offers multiple powertrain configurations, including single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive variants. The base version produces around 220 horsepower, which is more than enough for everyday driving, while the dual-motor setup boosts power to over 400 horsepower, delivering thrilling acceleration. In fact, the EX5 AWD model can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, putting it in the league of performance-oriented electric crossovers. Battery options vary between a 70 kWh pack and a larger 90 kWh pack, giving drivers the choice of affordability or maximum range. On a full charge, the EX5 can deliver anywhere from 280 miles to over 360 miles of driving range, depending on configuration and driving conditions. Fast charging capability allows the battery to replenish from 10 to 80% in just about 30 minutes when using a high-speed DC charger, making road trips more practical. Regenerative braking is customizable, allowing drivers to adjust how aggressively the car slows down when lifting off the accelerator, even enabling one-pedal driving for city use. The EX5 also comes packed with advanced driver assistance features. Geely's latest suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, automated parking, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous highway driving capabilities in certain markets. Multiple cameras and radar sensors provide 360-degree awareness, while AI-powered software continues to learn and adapt to different driving conditions. These technologies make the EX5 not only safer but also more convenient for daily commuting. When it comes to pricing, Geely has positioned the EX5 as a competitive option in the electric crossover market. The entry-level model is expected to start around $32,000, while mid-range trims fall in the $38,000 to $42,000 range. The fully loaded dual-motor AWD variant with all the bells and whistles may reach closer to $48,000. Considering the level of technology, range, and premium features, the EX5 offers excellent value, especially compared to global competitors that often charge significantly more for similar performance and equipment. Overall, the 2026 Geely EX5 is a well-rounded electric crossover that combines futuristic design, a high-tech interior, strong performance, and practical pricing. It's clear that Geely is aiming to not just participate in the EV revolution but to lead it in key markets. Whether you're looking for a stylish family SUV, a daily commuter with long range, or a performance-oriented electric vehicle, the EX5 delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Geely EX5 here on Turbo Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated with the latest car reviews and automotive news, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.